Hey, it's Miss Hake. Have you ever played with candy during math? Ooh, candies or beads or something really small, like Skittles maybe, or something that you can consume very quickly. And if candies aren't allowed at school, maybe you can play this at home when you get home. So we are going to get our 10 frames out and we're going to chat about dice. You're going to have 2 dice. The first dice is going to be the top row, and the second dice is going to be the bottom row. The only thing is, because number 6 is too big for the rows, we need to put tape over it. So we can't roll a number 6 today, unfortunately. Because what do we know about the top and the bottom of a 10 frame? This tape is clear, so it's just going to be a little reminder not to look at that number when I roll it. So if you have not clear tape, it's probably better, or you could put a little piece of paper over it. But if you get a 6, keep on rolling. You know what I might do? Miss Hake just had a beautiful brainwave. I might take a little bit of Play-Doh, and I might just cover. You know what? That's better. Might just cover my 6 with a little bit of Play-Doh. Yeah, you can't really roll a 6 in a 10 frame. Because what do we know about a 6? A 6 is a line and a bit. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to cover that 6. This one's a bit mushy and lumpy, so I'm just going to skim a little bit off. Oh my goodness. Your little fingers might be better at this than my fingers. Okay, I think I'm ready to roll now. Funny. All right, one for the top, one for the bottom. All right, we should be able to know what that is just by looking by now. That's a 5. I'm going to pretend these are Skittles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already knew that 5 covered one roll. Woohoo! Rolling away. Let's see what the bottom's going to get. Oh my gosh, another 5. 5 and 5, I know, make, come here, little guy, 10. And if these were Skittles, guess what? Yum, 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 yum. I get to eat them. If they're not, then I'm putting them back in my counters, and I'm going to keep on playing. 4 and 1. So I'm going to put 4 in the top, and then 1 doesn't go in the bottom. Is there space for 1 up here? Yeah, so what's 4 and 1? Just by looking, I know that 1 row is a 5, so it must be 5. If these were Skittles, then but they're not. Do not eat plastic beads. I guarantee they won't taste good, and it's not good for you. So you're going to keep on playing your dice roll number game. Hopefully you have a jar of Skittles nearby, or M&Ms. Hopefully it's not too hot out. You don't want them to melt. Or any little teeny weeny carrots. Sometimes I play with blueberries and raspberries if I was at home. I love raspberries so much, and they fill in the 10 frame quite nicely too. All right, have a beautiful rest of the day, and I will see you soon.